You should have saw it happening. I'll be back. BS. Big fat mama. Oh. I'll be back. Still not scaring you? I will soon. Okay. Oh! You know, something's not working here. Oh! I present to you Anberlynnwow, the greatest person in the world. Hello. It's me. I'm going to be showing you the biggest fake burps. Ooh. Very interesting. That was fake. Goodbye. You are floating in water right now. Ooh. See? Remember? Ice Bucket Challenge? If you have not seen it, you better! I forced the dice to mesh this earth. You know, this water.